Sabah Musharraf here with another video. Today I am demonstrating the making of Ramadan cards. These are simple cards which I have simply inked and stamped. I started off with a 3.5 by 5.5 piece of cardstock, and I'm using pigment inks from Colorbox for this project. I choose the lightest color, green, and just dab it in the center in a circular manner and then blend it in using my water brush. Next, I'm going to just add colors all around the green just to give it a radial gradient effect, which will be visible once we've blended everything in. So the colors I'm using are bright colors. There is green, mustard, orange, pink, and magenta. Now, because these are pigment inks, these are very vibrant and really juicy. So I spray some water over it, over the inked area, because it just helps to blend it, and then using my water brush I just blend all the colors in. I'm just making sure that there's no white space visible. Once blended and dried, I'm going to start stamping on it. The first stamp that I'm using is the doily stamp from Prima. I'm going to ink it up using Archival Ink, and I'm going to stamp it in the center. Next, I'm going to take the Baroque motif stamp from Kaisercraft, and I'm going to ink this up. I'm not going to ink the entire stamp. I just want to leave the tail end uninked because it's going to overlap with the center doily stamp, and I don't want it to smudge. So to get a clear print, I just ensure that the entire stamp is not covered. I stamp it on the sides, and then I'm just going to continue stamping with the same stamp to create a pattern on both the sides. So you can use any stamps that you like, but I just thought this one would look really nice for this project. Once I've stamped the cardstock, I'm going to stick the sentiment, adhere the sentiment on. The sentiment I have already heat embossed and die cut. Using some dimensional tape, I'm going to adhere it to the base. Next, I'm going to work on the inlay. This is also 3.5 by 5.5, and I'm going to stamp it with Archival Ink. These stamps are the sentiment stamps, are actually from Altenew, and then I'm just going to ink the edges just to give it some finish. Once dry, I'm going to take my card base, fold it, and then just adhere the inlay in. And then using some dimensional tape, I'm going to adhere the top that we just worked on, and our card is ready. I hope this inspires you to make some fun, bright, creative cards this Ramadan. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.